Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video of the Tapo pan and tilt home security Wi-Fi camera. It's the Tapo C200C. It's a PTZ camera, so it pan and tilts and it can zoom. It has night vision, person detection, baby crying detection and a lot of other goodies. Yeah, it works quite good. It's a box with everything inside of it. So we go to unbox it now. That's the plastic wrap. Then here you have the box. Voila. We have some paperwork, some manuals, or I guarantee paper, or I don't know exactly what. You have a power supply, a power adapter, then some mounting screws, and here you have the camera. Voila. Here you have the camera. So yeah, this is it. It's a Tapo C200C camera. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes. So yeah, that's it.